Unsa ni pagkanta ni Sir Felix? Aduna ba'y banda, tigapil baog contest, or choir member ba si Sir Felix?
Choir member.
Choir member, kani power. So, unsay kantaon ni Sir Felix?
In Your Eyes.
In Your Eyes. So, ready na ba si Sir Felix?
Ready na.
Kana, since ready na ka, ako na dahil nihatag ang entablado sa beat. Okay, palakpakan nato si Sir Felix. Oh, let's go, Sir Felix!
Finally know you. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love's just like the train that keeps unraveling, but then it ties us back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections. In your eyes, found the answers to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore. And I think I finally learned to love you more. And you warned me that life changes, that no one really knows whether times will make us strangers or whether times will make us grow. Even though the winds with time will change, in a world where nothing stays the same, through it all our love will still remain. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections. In your eyes, found the answers to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore. And I think I finally learned to love you more. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive. You and I, we're drifting safely back to shore. And I think I finally learned to love you more. In your eyes.
Wow! 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 Super very wow! Grabe, In Your Eyes. Grabe, no? Makabiti, no? So, grabe kaayo gid, nakataas na gid kaayo ta. And, Sir Felix, Felix. Sir Felix, nakoy nadunggan nga, ni-appeal daw ko no kag tawag ng tanghalan sa una. Unsa ka tinuod na?
True.
True. Grabe, no? Kay naay nagpakita na ako diri nga murag clip video nga gikan gid siya sa tawag ng tanghalan. Grabe ka powerful, no? So gi-performance tas gikan ng tawag ng tanghalan. Palakpakan sa nato si Sir Felix, oh. Ma'am, pili atong ihatag nga score ni Sir Felix og ngano?
10.
Nganong 10?
Sir, naninuod ra kayo ka.
10.
Nganong 10?
Kay Chada siyag tingog, perfect ang iyang timing.
Ako ihatag niya kay 10 kay I like the way he delivered the song tsaka control niya yung voice niya, yun lang.
Sir Felix, nakuha ni mo ang perfect score nga 30. Congratulations, daog ka og papremyo. Palakpakan sa nato Sir Felix. Oh.
Bidzers, kung kamo mohatag og grado, pila ka ha, ug ngano? Ug asa na pud mo ganahan nga mo bisita ang Bitzy okay? Just comment down below. Ug ganahan sad mo nga mo sponsor og episode, email us at info@bitzy.com. Ayaw kalimot og like, share, subscribe sa Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram ug Spotify para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos nato.